Alright, welcome again people to MG Sports TV and Ethan Pinnock, my brilliant defender. Ethan Pinnock has stopped Manchester City 25 unbeaten run with a wonderful and man of the match performance today in the final game day of the English Premier League. Guys, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here. Hey, see that? Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and definitely join our MG Sports family. Share the video. I would like you guys to share the video actually. Yeah. Anyways, so people, Ethan Pinnock, Reggae Boy Ethan Pinnock, left side centre back, brilliant player, people. You know what? Let me just bring up a little bit of statistics here. I should have done that earlier. And the strange thing about Ethan Pinnock is that a lot of people don't really understand how